chopper.
It's cool.
What's our altitude right now?
We're sitting at 300 feet.
300 feet.
There's people that have trailers and boats.
Yep. They got a full harbor in here.
That's fine. What's that? Briny Breeze? What is that?
I think so. That sounds about right. I always forget the name, but
Yeah.
it's something close.
Woo! Look at this. Driving out right here, baby.
I feel like you are.
Huh?
I feel like you are dropping there.
What does that say over
Are
there?
you fucking serious?
Am I what?
Are you?
It's for you, baby.
Who are those people?
Huh?
Who are those people?
That's your mom and your dad?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You're such a liar.
That's your mom and your dad.
No, they're not. Is everything like
What does that say right there?
Will you marry me?
Huh?
That's why you were acting so shady today.
What does that say?
Will you marry me?
Wave to them.
Those are my parents.
That's your parents.
No, that's not.
Yeah. Huh?
Alright, how about getting home?
Sweet, babe. So, what's the answer to the question? Yeah? Yeah?
Of course.
Does it fit? You like it?
That was very sweet. I wasn't expecting that at all. That's why you were acting so shady today. I knew something was wrong.
The big pink tower with the pink buildings is the Boca Raton Resort.
Yeah.
Lake Boca Raton is that square body of water we just passed by.
And that way.
Here we're coming over the FAU campus.
Okay.
Just in front of us, the newly remodeled stadium. And
It's so easy to reach the
so here you notice we're coming in sideways to the runway, and we're just gonna fly right over it because we're a helicopter and we're cool like that.
Exactly.
It's so easy to reach the sky.
Good job, man. Good job.
Thank you.